So a couple of months ago, Kirkcudbright was hit with the bad news that its bridge was going to be closed for an unforeseen amount of time. Businesses in Kirkcudbright were hit hard with this news, and a lot of people who live across the bridge in the Merse were isolated from their families that live on this side, because the only thing allowed across the bridge was pedestrians and bicycles. But the council have announced that on the 2nd of July, they will be reopening the bridge to just cars and vans, and there will be restrictions on the bridge, but at least traffic will be allowed over again. So if you want to come to Kirkcudbright, local businesses would love to see you. And there's 3 other roads into Kirkcudbright. You don't need to worry about this bridge. There's other access in from the A75, there is access in from Dundrennan direction, and there is access in from Dalbeattie on the B727. So you can get to Kirkcudbright no problem at all. And we thought we would show you around and let you see what Kirkcudbright has to offer. Learn to cook your favourite dishes here at Station House Cookery School. I highly recommend the clan for the all-day breakfast. Fantastic for a wee browse is J. Curving Ceramics. Mulberries is always good for a nice cup of coffee and a treat. You'll be amazed what you find in this Aladdin's Cave. Super Safe is way bigger inside than you think. And for locally made arts and crafts, you can't beat the Artist Maker Shop here on the High Street in Kirkcudbright. Who needs home base when you've got D-side DIY here in Kirkcudbright? If you fancy a dip or a workout, Kirkcudbright Swimming Pool is the perfect place. Anyone for tennis? If you're looking for great accommodation or an amazing meal, the Selkirk Hotel. Solway Thai Tea Rooms is always lovely for a visit. For craft workshops or upcycle gifts, come to EcoArt. We're very lucky to have Knowles Florists here in Kirkcudbright. Learn all about the universe here at the Dark Space Planetarium. Take a tour of Kirkcudbright's very own dark art distillery. Learn how they make their gin. Needing a picnic whilst you're here in Kirkcudbright, you can get fresh sandwiches made here at Snakatak or Masterpiece. For flowers and gifts, come here to Willow's. For toys, gifts and all sorts, Rhubarb is a fantastic shop. For fine, bespoke, handmade jewellery, Kathryn King's Jewellers. If you fancy a beverage, you can't beat the Masonic Arms here in Kirkcudbright. If you're looking for some amazing delicacies here, Bramble's Delicatessence has a great selection of everything that you could want. You can enjoy peace and tranquility at Barrhill Woods Bed and Breakfast. And of course, a visit to Kirkcudbright wouldn't be complete without tasting some seafood. You can get amazing things here at Scrippus Granvan or their restaurant around the corner, Swally and Scran. For handcrafted jewellery inspired by nature, you can go to Rock and Ore. For bicycle hire, outdoor clothing, boots, wetsuits and much, much more, don't forget you can go to William Law's. So that's just a tiny wee walk around some of the things that Kirkcudbright has to offer. Don't forget, just because the bridge is closed at the moment doesn't mean that Kirkcudbright is. So please do come along and support the local businesses. And don't worry, because the bridge will be opening again very soon.